Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about HTML attributes and HTML styles. With HTML attributes provide us an additional information about HTML elements. HTML information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in the name value pairs. So let's go with the first attribute, that is href attributes. Href attributes starts with defines a hyperlink. Let me show you. Yeah, href tag. Here, anchor tag that shows the hyperlink like https www.google.com, which specifies the Google. So let me run this one now. This is the code. Right click on open with live server. Yeah, output will be displayed here. Click on it, visit Google, click on it. Yeah, the URL of the page, the link goes to this page, that is Google. Now, next one is the source attribute. The source attribute generally it comes under the image tag, which is used to embed an image in an HTML page. The source attribute specify the path to the image. Specify the path to the image. Likewise, the alt attribute. The alt attribute of the image tag specify an alternate text for an image. If the image for some reason cannot be displayed, this can be due to the slow connection or an error in the source attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. The thing is, like, I'm using a screen reader. Let me show you. I will click on open with live server. It does not display the image. It shows like this, but there exists one image. Because I am sharing my screen, hence it's not showing the image here. If you guys try without sharing the screen, it will work definitely. Next one is the style attribute. The style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and more. So let me give like a style has color which encodes to the red color. Then it displays this is a paragraph with inline styling as a red color. Let me try. Right click, open with live server. You could see this, the line has displayed in the red color. This is what the style font do. Even you can change the font size uh, and many more things in the later upcoming classes. Next, we will discuss about the lang one. So here we can see the lang one, right? This one is also an attribute. You should always include the lang attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This is meant to assist search engines and the browser. It is assisting the search engines like Google, Safari, and the Microsoft Edge. Okay, so country codes can also be added to the language code in the lang attribute. So the first two characters define the language of the HTML page, and the last two characters define the country. So the following example specifies English as a language. This is the EN is the English as a language. And if you want a country, then you can give as a country code, like for example, hyphen US, which describes the United States of America, United States. So next one is the title attribute. The title attributes define some extra information about an element. So you can change your title name too. Just as because it's already a snippet, so it's showing me as a document. You can change it as something like page title. Okay. So right click, open with live server. Yeah. The title attribute defines some extra information about an element. So here I have changed it to page title. So right click, open with live server. Yeah, now here what you will see now, that is the title of the document. Here it changed it to page title now. So the one more suggestion which I would give is always use lowercase attributes. The HTML standard does not require lowercase attribute names, but title attributes and all the other attributes can be written in uppercase or lowercase like title or capital letters title. However, I recommend lowercase attributes in HTML and demands lowercase attributes for stricter document types like XHTML. Always quote attribute values. The HTML standard does not require quotes around attribute values. However, I recommend quotes in HTML and demands quotes for stricter document types like XHTML. Like whatever you give right here, it should be under double quotes. and a single or double quotes it may be have. The class attribute is mostly used to point to a class in a style sheet. However, it can also be used by JavaScript via the HTML document to make changes in HTML elements with a specified class. Let's run this. Right click, open with live server. This also displays, this is a paragraph with a class name. Next one. Next one is ID. ID attribute. ID attribute is used to specify a unique ID for an HTML element. You cannot have more than one element with the same ID in an HTML document. Using the ID attribute, the ID attribute specifies a unique ID for an HTML element. The value of the ID attribute must be unique within the HTML document. The ID attribute is used to point to a specific style declaration in style sheet. It is also used by JavaScript. Style sheet and JavaScript you will be learning in the further classes to access and manipulate the element with a specific ID. So the ID syntax for ID will be like this. It goes via a division ID and my ID. This is my ID. Right click, open with live server. Yeah, this is my div. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you have learned something in in this session. If you feel this video is informative, then do comment, like, and share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press bell icon to get regular updates. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, everyone. Happy learning.